Hey guys, Dr. Colin here with Healthworks Chiropractic. Just want to talk to you about some other techniques that we use here in the office for adjusting. Especially those of you patients who are nervous about the cracking and popping sound that you may hear. So this technique that we use is called use of the drop table. Okay, now what happens is the table lifts up and then the table will drop on you like this. It is a little loud, but there's no cracking and popping, and it's a very gentle adjustment technique. Now, for other questions involving some of the techniques we use, give us a call at 615-867-1144.